Lychee tree, agroplant.org, also known as Lychee chinensis. This is perennial evergreen. Of course, it's a tree, so it's perennial, and it's grow mostly for the fruits. But you should know that it's a very beautiful tree, so it can grow from ornamental as an ornamental plant. The leaves can be reddish when they are young, so it's quite of impressive. And the flowers are not very impressive. They are just white and not impressive. And there is a lot of pollination problem. So you should see the video of lychee flowers that I made for you. Okay, so the fruits are rough with rough skin, and as much as I understood from my friends, they don't have a clue because they never ate it before how to eat it. So you will have another video for this. So sorry about the commercial other videos that I will have. So how to grow it: slightly acid soil, rich soil, and can survive some frost and prefer cool winter. It's bearing more fruit. It's if it's cool winter. Cold winter, it won't survive. Uh, some frost, yes, but not too much. You can start from air layers, seeds, or plant. And I recommend to graft the tree. It's possible from seeds. I have 3 trees in my garden, and one of them it's from seeds, one of them it's air layer, and the other it's grafted. So I can tell you that I prefer the grafted. I don't know, it's just the best varieties that I have in the garden. And okay, so sensitivities for wind, it's very important that the first years you will protect it from winds. Here it's very windy area, at least in the winter, and sometimes it just not survive the first few winters. And although it can survive if you will just give it the right protection. So in the first year I just surround the tree with a Utah fabric or whatever can prevent nets that can prevent the strong winds. After this, right now for this size of tree, I don't put anything that will protect it. Uh, Aphids and ants are major pests. Especially the ants are also pollinated, if I'm not mistaken. I saw them very time inside the flowers. To plant it, it will be from the spring to early summer. It can grow from 5 to 20 meter. And outside of the tropic, it will be smaller trees. So here it's smaller trees but bearing a lot of fruits. It's a slow growing tree, and in the beginning it's really slow. After it's established, it takes a few years. If you give the right condition, and you should give the right condition, fertilize it a lot, iron a little bit, the soil, take care of it, and it will grow great. It requires full sun, and it will bloom from the spring to the summer, depends the climate, and will bear fruit from during all the summer and a little bit in the beginning of the autumn. Very rare, and it depends the cultivar. I have one cultivar that arrived to the beginning of the autumn. A major pest for the fruits will be birds and aphids. You can eat it raw, you can make it juice, and for me the best way to cut it and use it, it's after it's frozen, but this is for another video. And it takes 3 to 8 years in order to get some fruits, and a big amount of fruits you can wait even 10 years or 12 years. Again, we have here cold winter sometimes, and it can prevent the growth, and then you have 1 year that the tree not growing at all. So this is something to know. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course like this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate, just ask. Hope you enjoy.